I'm gonna attempt to do this entire unboxing experience with these on my head, not knowing at all how loud I am being. I can't hear myself talk, so hopefully I don't say anything stupid. I gotta say, Beats and Apple definitely do their unboxing experiences right. We start off with the outside being a sleeve. You're greeted by a very matte black with a very shiny, glossy accent of Beats headsets right there. Change the way you hear sound. This has a nice little red Beats pull tab that you slide up. Beats case. Another red pull tab. Written materials, user guides, legal documents, all those kinds of things. So let's put that aside and let's talk about the quality of this headset. I am an owner of the Beats Studio 2 headset, and although there's no cosmetic or physical change to the Studio 3 headset, there's definitely a increase and improvement on the quality of sound that I'm hearing right now. These things sound good. Now I know Beats by Dre have a record of not being the greatest sounding headphones, especially for the price point that they're at. But I feel like that is no longer the case. It's got that deep, bass, rich sound that Beats is really known for. The other huge improvement that the Studio 3 headset has over the Studio 2 is Beats noise canceling solution. And damn, it is good. Most noise canceling headsets that you're using, they tend to have a little hum to them. These, all I hear is silence. No hum, no noise. And the thing about these is they're active noise canceling. With the two microphones on the Studio 3 headset, it is going refreshing at more than 1,000 times per second and listening for changes in your atmosphere to then cancel out that noise. It is probably one of the best noise canceling experiences that I've had on a headset at this price point. 2 thumbs up right there. I feel like this is a turning point. With that Apple W1 chip, you get better battery life. When I very first turned on the headset, a picture with the headset popped up on my phone with a connect button. Once I did that, every single Apple device that I have connected to my iCloud can now seamlessly connect to the Beats Studio 3 headset, and I can switch between devices on a whim. Ultimately, I love these, and I feel like this is the device that Beats needed to put out to change its reputation. No longer are they the flashy, cool headset that everybody wants at a price point that is absolutely absurd for the quality, but you're finally getting a product that matches the price point and actually delivers a great experience in both noise cancellation and sound quality. I hope I haven't been shouting at you guys too much today, but guys, these are great. If you've been in the market for a new headset and you have about $300, $350 to throw, get the Beats Studio 3. They're great. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.